Hello little ones. So today we have to start the topic work. Okay. Friction till friction. In our previous classes you have already completed till friction. Now we are going to start work. So let's see what points we have to cover. Work and simple machines. Okay. So first let's start with work. In science, the term work has a definite meaning. Work is said to be done when the force is applied on an object causes it to move through a distance. Okay, remember this thing. An object causes to move through a distance. This is the sentence which is going to help you further. In terms of science, the work done can be said only when an object causes it to move through a distance. Means something has to be moved. When you are applying a force on an object, it should move. Then only it will be said that the work is done. Okay. For example, when a ball is kicked, when you kick a ball with your leg, the ball moves. So it will be said that the work has done. It moves some distance. In this case, work is said to be done. However, work is not done when the force applied on an object does not move the object. Okay, so remember this also. An object does not move when you apply a force on an object and the object does not move. For example, when a wall is pushed, it is not moved. In this case, work is not done. Okay. When it is very difficult to work with our hands, we use tools or machines to make our work easier. Now, this is for this simple machines. This last line, Now, let me tell you a very interesting fact about work. You are studying right now. I am teaching right now. You all will be very shocked to know that we are not doing any work. Yes, exactly. I am teaching, I am speaking, you are studying, but we are not doing any work, little ones. Look, I just underlined this sentence, but this is also not a work done. You all must be thinking that, ma'am, you moved the pencil. But tell me one thing, I moved the pencil and I applied force where? On your notebook. But did your notebook moved? Did this book moved? Did this book move like this? No. I just underlined this sentence. I applied force on this notebook, but nothing happened to this notebook. So that is why work is not done. In terms of science, work was not done. Got it? So whenever you are writing, you are studying, you are reading, and you think that I'm working very hard. You are writing in an exam, you are giving your exam, you are giving your test. You are thinking that I'm doing a hard work. But little ones, remember, in terms of science, the work is not done. According to science, reading, writing, studying, you are not doing anything. The work is not done. The work is nil. It will come 0. Now got it? For work to be done in terms of science, you have to apply some force on an object and it should move. There should be a movement. Okay, then only it will be said that the work is done. For example, this pencil, I'm moving it. Okay, it's moving. I'm applying a force and it's moving. But if I'll keep it, for example, I'll underline this sentence, then this will not be said to be work done. Why? Because I'm writing on the notebook. I'm applying force with my hands with the pencil on the notebook, but nothing is happening to the notebook. That is why no work will be said to be done. Now you will say, ma'am, there's a line, this line is made because of this lid. There's a friction between the note page and your pencil. There's a friction because of which a line is created, but nothing happened to your book. Did the book moved? No. So reading, writing, it will not be under work done in terms of science. So in terms of science, work done will be said when you move something, when a force is applied on an object and you move something. Okay.